Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you the top 5 gadgets actually worth buying. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
V-Twin, a new ultrasonic speed laundry pen. Its presence has brought a revolution to traditional ways of washing clothes. Now let's look at the outstanding performance of V-Twin in order to show the strong decontamination ability of V-Twin. Next, we do the experiment of cleaning strings of ball pens and shoe polish, which are all extremely difficult to clean. We suggest using a little liquid detergent. Let's look at the effect. As expected, the strings are also easily removed by V-Twin. It can be more proper for us to use fast and extremely clean to describe this product. Compared to the conventional local laundry products, V-Twin is totally quiet with aestheticism of super simplicity and volume shrunk maximally. The effect of conventional motor beating is barely satisfactory. The frequency of 50,000 Hz of V-Twin is leading the laundry products. Faced with expensive clothes and stubborn stains, we may no longer be bothered by bleacher and repeated rubbing. A new laundry revolution has come. V-Twin is innovation just for you.
Experience heat at the touch of a button with Polar Seal heated t-shirts. Polar Seal heated t-shirts are flexible and lightweight, which makes them ideal for use in active environments, sports, or work settings. The electronic ultra-thin heating elements are seamlessly embedded into the fabric, allowing our new range of heated t-shirts to be machine washable. Choose from 3 warming levels with our custom shockproof and water-resistant LED lid control button. The button is responsive enough to work with gloves. Polar Seal is also great for wet and snowy environments. Polar Seal heated t-shirts can be worn on their own or under bigger outer layers. Available in short and long sleeves, the Polar Seal heated t-shirts come in a range of styles, colors, and sizes, making them suitable for athletic, casual, or professional use cases. Polar Seal has provided heat on demand to over 10,000 happy customers around the world. Now, we have made it our mission to make this technology accessible to everyone. Polar Seal heated clothes have been tried and tested by Olympic skiers, Iditarod champions, Arctic explorers, and transatlantic sailors. Get your Polar Seal heated t-shirt today at the lowest price ever and join the growing community of people who have made feeling cold a thing of the past.
like me, your phone is basically always out. You're texting, using your apps, checking your tweets, and even in the car you have this compulsion to treat it the same way. But you can't, because when you do, bad things happen. Oh, mother. You can mount your phone on the dash for navigation, sure. But is that any safer? No, it's not. It's bad. You need your eyes in front of you. You need NavD. NavD is a portable device you put on your dashboard with every mobile app you'd need to keep your eyes on the road ahead. It's a heads-up display, just like what commercial airline pilots use when they're landing. You hear that? Pilots use it. It's safe. There's a tiny, super high-quality projector that puts the UI on a transparent screen in your field of view, projected like it's 2 meters out in front of you, so you never have to adjust your focus away from your driving. It connects wirelessly to your phone on iOS or Android and has its own apps, all designed around the driving experience. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ed. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. I'm making a video right now.
Oh, okay. I'll let you go. Just wanted to say I love you.
Okay, I love you. You use hand gestures and your voice to control it. Read new text.
Hey bro, where are you?
Reply. I'm right here, friend. Share my location. Play Sugar Beef. Ah, Sugar Beef. It's a fake band name. I made it up for this video. I want to introduce you to someone. This is Doug. NavD is his thing. He's real excited about it.
It's really cool, and I think you're gonna want
Tweet,
one.
driving with Doug and NavD. Feels like driving in the future. Send.
And I think you're gonna want one in your car too.
Feels like driving in the future.
More than 372,000 people can be saved from drowning this year. That's why it's our mission at Kinji to provide water safety.
Hi, I'm Tom Agapiadis. I came up with the idea of Kinji after I lost a very good friend of mine 3 years ago. He drowned in a lake similar to this one, and it could have been prevented. When you drive a car, you put your seatbelt on. When you ride a bike, you put on your helmet. But how do you protect yourself in water? We set out to make the smallest inflatable in the world, and we came up with a convenient, non-intrusive way to provide safety to all of those in and around water.
This is Kinji, a portable flotation device that comfortably secures onto your wrist. It's fast to deploy, durable, and contained within a compact design. Kinji helps in case of exhaustion or heavy currents, or when there's poor circulation or cramps. Anytime you're on the water, even if you're just relaxing, you'll want a Kinji for you and a friend.
We like Kinji because it's small. It doesn't get in your way when you're trying to paddle out. A lot of times when you're surfing, there's not a lifeguard anywhere near, so this gives you a little bit more sense of security.
Kinji can stay inflated for over 48 hours. It includes a compass, as well as a whistle for signaling help in case of an emergency.
Having knowledge and good judgment are the first steps in water safety, but Kinji can be an important aid when you're in need. It's easy and fast to deploy, and it's already been grayed out on rescues.
Kinji is durable, and the CO2 cartridge is replaceable, so you can reuse Kinji as many times as needed.
We need your help to start production and fight the dangers of drowning. With your support, you become an integral part of our team of ambassadors, and you'll be the first to receive a Kinji. Do it for yourself. Do it for your friends, surf mates, fishing buddies, and your family. Together, we can revolutionize water safety on a global scale. Join the movement.